In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of my apartment here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I live in a trendy building called the Palm Springs Erica here in Nimman in Chiang Mai. The Erica building is on Soi 5, just off Nimman Road. For those that don't know, Nimman is a very tourist-friendly area, kind of focused on Westerners. So it's a little bit more expensive than other areas in Chiang Mai, but you can still find a condo in this area on Airbnb from about $350 all the way up to $700 or $800 for a studio, depending on the amenities of your building. Like I mentioned before, I get my apartments through remote year, so the cost is included in my remote year fee. But if you wanted to rent this apartment on your own, the monthly rental rate is around 18,000 baht or about $580 US. If you rent it longer term, you can get it cheaper, but 18,000 baht would be your cost if you just walked up to the desk and wanted to rent a similar studio apartment. Before we head up to my apartment, I'll show you some of the amenities of this building. So this building has a really cool little lap pool on the second floor. It's really nice. The water's a tad bit cold, but once you get used to it, it's not too bad. There's also a small little gym in my building, which is great. Makes going to work out really convenient. There's a treadmill and a couple other machines, as well as a few free weights, so it's perfect for me. All right, so let's head up the elevator to my apartment. I'm on the 6th floor in this building. This building has 8 floors. Everywhere in this building you have a key card, which is great, so you don't have to carry a key, you can just carry the card in your wallet. If you lose the key card, you actually have a punch code for your door. What's also great about the key card system is that you can only go to your floor and the floor with the pool and the gym. So people that live on other floors can't actually come up to the floor you live on. You have to live on that floor in order to access it. Okay, so this is a pretty small studio, kind of reminds me of studios in New York. It's more like a hotel room. I've mentioned this in other videos. I don't cook, so this small kitchen is perfect for me. The only thing I really care about is having a refrigerator so I can store water and other drinks. Here's the bathroom. It's small. It kind of reminds you of a hotel bathroom. There's no bathtub, which is fine by me. I have this rainfall shower head, which is great. Just a modern, clean bathroom, a modern toilet, and a sink with plenty of counter space. So this is perfect for me. Okay, so out in the living area, I have a little desk. I have internet here. It's about 30 to 40 up, 30 to 40 down, which is perfectly fine. There's an AC in this room and like IKEA furniture. And then here is the bedroom. There's a little glass wall separating the bedroom from the living room. So maybe they count this as a 1 bedroom, but it's not really a 1 bedroom. I have a nice comfy bed here. There's actually memory foam on top of it, which I've never had before, and I'm really enjoying. And in this room, there's also an AC. So there's 2 ACs in this little bitty apartment. So you can make the apartments in this building as comfortable as you like. Okay, so I have a little bit of storage space in here. I have a closet. For those of you that don't know, I'm a 1-bag traveler. I'm a minimalist, so I don't carry a lot. I only have like 7 shirts and 5 pair of shorts and a couple pair of pants. So this is plenty of space for me. If you need more closet space, it might not work for you, but it works for me. Most places in Chiang Mai have a view of the building next to them. I got really lucky and I got a view of kind of a park looking area, probably somebody's house, but it's just nice to be able to look out and see the greenery. Like most places in Southeast Asia, you have a washer but no dryer. It's hot outside, so you can just dry your clothes outside. It's perfect for me and my merino wool. I can't dry it anyway. Okay, so that was my place here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. And I'm a full-time traveler. I document my full-time travel adventures. So if that kind of content interests you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be in Chiang Mai all month, and I think next week's video is gonna be me just walking around my neighborhood here in Nimman and showing you just how cool this neighborhood really is. Thanks for watching.